In the heart of a quiet landscape, a bold architectural statement emerges: the dual harmony house, a masterpiece inspired by the brilliance of MiMo Architects' Two Sides house. This design celebrates contrast, raw and refined, open and enclosed, public and private. Every wall and window is positioned with intention, inviting balance and dialogue between two distinct yet harmonious sides of living. The home doesn't simply shelter its inhabitants, it tells a story of connection between generations, a space where modern minimalism blends effortlessly with emotional warmth. It's a home that speaks to the human desire for unity within diversity. The exterior of the dual harmony house stands as a sculptural composition of textures and tones. Crisp concrete planes meet natural brick surfaces, forming a facade that feels both grounded and contemporary. The design relies on geometric precision, yet it breathes through organic materiality. Sunlight dances across the walls, revealing subtle variations in color and shadow. Large sliding glass doors blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, while the warm timber detailing softens the home's bold lines. This is not merely architecture, it is poetry in structure, a place where strength and serenity coexist in a single elegant form. Inside, the house unfolds like a story told through light and texture. The interiors emphasize openness and connection, with living spaces that flow effortlessly into one another. Natural materials, stone, wood, and glass, dominate the palette, giving the home an authentic and timeless appeal. Subtle changes in ceiling height and material transitions define different zones without disrupting the sense of unity. Every detail, from the furniture placement to the lighting design, is carefully curated to evoke comfort and sophistication. It's a space that honors minimalism, not as emptiness, but as the art of choosing what truly matters. At the heart of the dual harmony house lies a serene courtyard, a breathing space that bridges the two main wings of the home. This lush garden is more than a visual centerpiece, it is the emotional core of the design. Surrounded by glass walls and timber frames, the courtyard creates a dialogue between architecture and nature. Gentle breezes pass through, carrying the scent of greenery into every corner. It's where mornings begin with light filtering through leaves, and evenings end under a canopy of stars. Here, architecture becomes alive, offering a quiet moment of reflection and connection. The dual harmony house is more than an architectural creation, it is a living philosophy. It reminds us that modern life, though fast and fragmented, still craves harmony, texture, and belonging. This home embodies that desire, merging two worlds, the structured and the natural, the intimate and the open, into one cohesive vision. It celebrates duality as a form of beauty, not opposition. Inspired by Two Sides House by MiMo Architects, it captures the essence of balance in design and in life, standing as a timeless symbol of modern elegance grounded in human warmth.